No,
Sir,
no, no, no.
that is not my account.
हाँ, that Kanak Chandak is wrong, na? M
Yes,
was
sir.
The
हाँ.
profile, sir, the
Just wait,
profile
wait,
letter
wait.
is M.
Let him come.
Profile letter.
I'll deny, then he will not able to enter.
Sorry, sir,
Okay.
I was my connection.
हाँ, Angista, what is the meaning of well-defined nucleus?
Sir means the genetic material that is present in the nucleus is not in a proper way, but in the prokaryotic cell it is not in a proper way. But in the eukaryotic cell it is well defined, and the genetic material is in a proper way.
What is this meaning? Proper way, यही तो मुझे चाहिए.
समय
नहीं, रुको. Prachi, the appropriate, use the appropriate term. Syantan, okay, Syantan.
In where all the nucleus cells are present, like nucleus, nuclear pore, chromatin, nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm are all present, it is called proper nucleus.
गॉड, इतना सारा तुमने बता दिया कि मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया. मुझे वो एक चीज बताओ जो न्यूक्लियस को आइडेंटिटी प्रोवाइड करेगा. The things, of course, the nuclear material will be present in the cytoplasm, but which make it the separate identity. Okay, this is the nucleus.
Sir,
समय विधांशु
नहीं, रुको, मुझे ढूंढने दो. क्या? What, Riyad, you
Sir.
wanted to answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, the genetic material is suspended freely.
Then if it is freely, then there is no identity, separate identity. वो cytoplasm ऐसे ही घूमता रहेगा.
Sir, and it doesn't have membrane-bound cell organelles.
नहीं, ये ठीक है, मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनल इज नॉट देयर, बट व्हाट अबाउट न्यूक्लियस? मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड न्यूक्लियस? नितिन.
Sir, in a well-defined nucleus, the nuclear membrane will be present.
Correct. This statement I want. Yeah, everything is present in the cytoplasm, right? But what happened in next stage of evolution in eukaryotic cell? These all elements which were controlling in nature, they were carrying the genetic information. They came together. Okay, we are the administrator of the cell, so we will make a separate Kevin-like thing. So how the Kevin formation will be there? The membrane should be there. Is it or not? आप सबने सही बोला, बट देखो, इन साइंस ना, वी वांट द कीवर्ड्स for spelling, for grammatical mistake. It's okay, we can manage with that, although it is not good, but it's okay. Chalo, now we can give the marks, but keywords we need. वहां पे उसने क्या कहा? The nuclear material is enclosed by the membrane. If you have watched the video carefully, I'm again showing. That's why I said, please watch it carefully. I'll stop the video in between and I'll ask the question. So you can watch again.
Other special parts. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced, complex cells, such as those found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cells. They don't have a nucleus or membrane-enclosed organelles. They do have genetic material, but it's not contained within a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are always one-celled or unicellular organisms, such as bacteria. So what are organelles? Organelle means little organ. Organelles are the specialized parts of a cell that have unique jobs to perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA, or genetic material. DNA dictates what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it. Chromatin is the tangled, spread out form of DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. When a cell is ready to divide, DNA condenses into structures known as chromosomes. The nucleus also contains a nucleolus. which is a structure where ribosomes are made. After ribosomes leave the nucleus, they will have the important job of synthesizing or making proteins. Outside the nucleus, the ribosomes and the rest of the organelles float around in cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance. Ribosomes may wander freely within the cytoplasm or attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abbreviated as ER. There are two types of ER. Rough ER has ribosomes attached to it, and smooth ER doesn't have ribosomes attached to it. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane-enclosed passageway for transporting materials, such as the proteins synthesized by ribosomes. Proteins and other materials emerge from the endoplasmic reticulum in small vesicles, where the Golgi apparatus, sometimes called the Golgi body, receives them.
Wait, who discovered Golgi apparatus? Who discovered?
Camilo Golgi.
Camilo Golgi, correct.
Golgi.
Correct.
Camilo Golgi.
Correct.
As proteins move through the Golgi body, they're customized into forms that the cell can use. The Golgi body does this by folding the proteins into usable shapes, or adding other materials onto them, such as lipids or carbohydrates. Vacuoles are sac-like structures that store different materials. Here, in this plant cell, the central vacuole stores water.
What is the function of central vacuole?
Storing water.
Storing water in plant cell.
Okay, okay.
Storing of water in plant cell.
Will it present in the animal cell also?
No.
No, sir.
No.
Very small.
Correct.
So very small, that is negligible.
It will usually it is absent, and if it is present, its size will be very small.
Going back to the animal cell, you will see an organelle called a lysosome. Lysosomes are the garbage collectors that take in damaged or worn out cell parts. They are filled with enzymes that break down this cellular debris.
Who is known as suicidal bag?
Lysosomes.
Lysosome.
Correct, correct.
The mitochondrion is an organelle that is the powerhouse for both animal and plant cells.
National Thermal Power Corporation of India is the power generating unit, right? NTPC, it is the Indian organization which is producing the electricity. The equivalent cell organelle in our cell is
Mitochondria.
correct. That's why we are saying powerhouse. National Thermal Power Corporation of our body is which one?
Mitochondria.
And in NTPC plants, we are using coal to burn the means to produce the heat and boil the water, and from boilers the steam is generated and which runs the turbine. So what is the fuel in our body for the powerhouse? Do you have any idea?
Protein.
No.
So can you repeat?
What is the food required to do
Carbohydrates.
the cellular respiration in mitochondria?
Carbohydrates.
Correct. Which carbohydrate?
That good only.
Glucose. So glucose is equivalent to the coal of our body powerhouse, right? NTPC is equivalent here, the mitochondria, and the glucose is the raw material by which the oxidation will take place, and the place where it will take place, that is the mitochondria. That's why mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell, and the power which is generated by the mitochondria is in the form of adenosine triphosphate, ATP. It is the energy currency of the cell. right? So Prachi, what is the energy currency of cell? Which is the energy currency of cell? Prachi will answer. Prachi, is your mic working? Miken, can you answer? Miken, if your mic is working, switch on the mic and please answer. We can save our time.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
यार रिपीट नहीं करेंगे, तुम लोग ध्यान से सुन नहीं रहे हो. What is the name the energy? What is the energy currency of the cell? Prachi, you can type. What is the energy currency of the cell?
Sir, don't know.
थप्पड़ लगाएंगे, अभी अभी मैंने बताया है. ई वाला वो कौन सा ई थप्पड़, द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक थप्पड़. बेटा जस्ट नाउ आई सेड दैट इज एटीपी, दैट इज एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. देखिए सर, ध्यान दीजिए, ऐसे काम नहीं चलता है कि बस सिनेमा की तरह देख रहे हैं.
Sir,
हाँ सर.
so can we just in the exam or can we just write a short form ATP?
Yes, yes, yes. It is enough. It is enough. Energy currency of the cell is ATP. What is the meaning of energy currency? Why we are saying, why not other material can be called as energy currency of the cell?
Sir, because main energy is generated by.
Because in the power of the cell.
Can anyone explain with the example? Can anyone explain with the example?
So like water is the energy currency. That's why there only the from the water only hydroelectricity is produced. Then for that only ATP is the.
Okay. Riyad is saying providing energy to the, so many, just let me see what he has written. Provides energy to many living cells. Okay, this is the type of energy. This is the energy which we can utilize, our body can utilize. If I'm speaking, I need energy, the energy is ATP. If my hands goes up, it need energy. Here also, the type of energy which is utilized is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. If I want to live in US, what currency I need? Will the Indian money will work? No, dollars we required. If we want to go Singapore, we need Singaporean dollar. If we want to go China, their currency is required. We have to exchange. So whatever food we are eating, protein, carbohydrate, lipid, whatever, these will be first converted into glucose. This glucose will go to the powerhouse. Goldie, powerhouse is? Goldie, क्या है ये? Andrew. हाँ. Powerhouse of the cell is?
Mitochondria.
So this glucose will go to the mitochondria. There oxidative breakdown of the glucose molecule will take place and the ATP will form, and wherever it is required that can be used. अब मान लो मेरे पास डॉलर था और हम इंडिया आए, इंडिया में सर्वाइव करने के लिए I have to change the dollar into Indian currency, Indian rupees. Then I can go to the market and I can buy the food, I can buy the necessary things. डॉलर लेके घूमते रहेंगे, बोलेगा भैया ये कागज हमारे लिए किसी काम का नहीं है. Is it or not? The same thing is, if our body is moving with a different energy form, they will say, I can't recognize it, what it is. It's better you go to the mitochondria, convert it into the ATP, then I'll accept. Okay, now moving to the next part.
During a process called cellular respiration, the mitochondria make ATP molecules that provide the energy for all of the cell's activities. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria.
Just wait. So here again, you can see this is the structure of the mitochondria. And if you have remember in the class I have explained, it is a double membrane structure. This is the outer membrane, right? This is the outer membrane. This is the inner membrane which folded inwards. It folded inwards and form finger-like projections. They are called as cristae. What we are saying? What we are saying?
Cristae.
You can speak. Cristae, correct. On cristae, the oxysomes are there, which is the actual site of the cellular respiration. So number of mitochondria or any cell organelle will depend on the function of that particular organelle. like mitochondria is responsible for the production of energy. तो बताइए, तो अगर हम टंग में मान लो कोई बहुत ज्यादा चपड़ चपड़ करता है, उसको क्या बोलते थे हम लोग, ऐसे एक वो क्या कहीं पे देखा था, चटर पटर बंद कर मुंह का शटर, ऐसे. तो दिस चटर पटर, इफ समवन वी आर स्पीकिंग, so we speak with the help of the jaw bones, the lips, the tongue. These are the actively these are the most active organ which used during the speaking something. So what do you think, the number of mitochondria will be more in these cell or less?
Some more.
In my hand,
More.
like the motor nerves, eyes, you can see these are the motor nerves, guarded by the motor nerves, motor cells also we are saying. So motor cells, those who are highly active, they will have more number of which cell organelle?
Mitochondria.
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 Correct.
Mitochondria.
So now moving to the next video, matlab next what is it?
Mitochondria.
Yes.
Meanwhile, the cell gains its shape through a cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton includes the thread-like microfilaments, which are made of protein, and microtubules, which are thin, hollow tubes. Some organisms, such as plants, that are photoautotrophic, meaning they capture sunlight for energy, have cells with an organelle called a chloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It's green because it has a green pigment called chlorophyll. Plant cells also have a cell wall outside of their cell membranes that shape, support, and protect the plant cell. Animal cells never have a cell wall. There are many other unique structures that only some cells have. Here are just a few. In humans, for example, the respiratory tract is lined with cells that have cilia. These are microscopic hair-like projections that can move in waves. This feature helps trap inhaled particles in the air and expels them when you cough.
Okay. In naughtiness, we are doing something. What we are doing, if someone is sleeping, when we were small, you don't do it. We were putting something in the nose or in the ear, and immediately he will wake up and he will start akchu like this. The sneezing will start. So what kind of cell is there? What kind of cell organelle was more? Can you guess?
Mitochondria.
नहीं, cilia, वो grooming action जो कर रहा था. Ciliary cell, the cilia is the highly active and sensitive. If we put something, or even when we go in the dusty environment, immediately we start sneezing. What happens? The cells which is here, they are in the respiratory tract. They are rich with the cilia, and immediately they respond and they start grooming action. What came? Leave it out, keep it out, keep it out. So sneezing start. So the cilia have the grooming action they want, they need. They are continuously moving and they just sweeping out the things which is not belong to our body. If they are identifying these materials, they are outsiders. They are saying, no need, you don't have to come here. You go out, immediately sneezing starts. It's cilia present on the paramecium. Yes, everywhere. Even in some of the unicellular organisms, they are present on the body surface, and they help in the movement.
Another unique feature in some cells is flagella. Some bacteria have flagella. A flagellum is like a...
See, this is the flagellum. Flagella. Single one is called flagellum, and the bunch is called flagella. And type, or later on you will study the type of bacteria, like at one side the flagella is there, or entire body have the flagella. These small structures are the cilia.
a little tail that can help a cell move or propel itself. The only human cell that has a flagellum is a
This is a structure of a sperm cell, right? This is head, this is middle piece, and this is the tail, right? Tail's function is to provide the movement, the necessary gliding move, the necessary swimming action will be done by the sperm, by the tail, but it need energy. You know from where the energy comes? From the middle piece. So if we will analyze the middle piece of the sperm cell, which cell organelle will be in the abundance? If we will analyze the middle piece of the sperm cell, which cell organelle will be in abundance?
Flagella.
कैसे यार?
Mitochondria.
ये फ्लैजेला का काम नहीं है. फ्लैजेला का काम तो यहाँ ये टेल कर ही रहा है. That flagella, it need energy to move. So who will provide the energy? Mitochondria. So mitochondria will be in the abundance.
sperm cell. In summary, remember, eukaryotic cells are plant and animal cells with a nucleus and membrane-enclosed organelles, while prokaryotic cells are unicellular organisms without these things. All cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and genetic material. And even though only plant cells have chloroplasts, both plant and animal cells have mitochondria.
So this is over. I think now the concept is better. Just a minute. Yes. What he has written? Sir, ATP is produced by aerobic cellular respiration and it goes into mitochondria. Sir, ATP is produced by aerobic respiration and it... See, Riyad, the respiration occurs in, it is of two types, aerobic and anaerobic. In both the conditions, the ATP will produce, the energy will produce. Only the amount of energy produced will vary. As for example, in aerobic respiration, more amount of energy produced, but in anaerobic respiration, less amount of energy is produced. As per data is concerned, after the breakdown of complete oxidation of one molecule of glucose, 36 ATP is the net gain. I'm saying net gain, 36 ATP produced in the aerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration, I think 8. Data yaad nahi hai mere ko, but in calories I can say.
Sir, fake account.
That he was that person, na? I denied. So,
Sir, Sir, Part told me that he will join now, so you have to enter him in the class.
Sorry.
Sir, Part said that he will join the class, so you will have to allow him to.
Why I will allow? No, I'm not able to understand.
Sir, no, sir. He is saying that Parth will join from another account, so you please allow him, sir. That.
Parth. Okay. That the person I denied, he is to that hacker one. Because
Sir, not Sir, it is nowadays you can make an account and enter in any of the class. He is just making an account.
Yes, sir, it's not a hacker.
So this problem coming because this link, who is knowing? Either the students or we the teachers. So among us, someone has sent to that person.
Sir, it can be of our class also.
From our classes.
Because teachers, so I don't think they don't have time to do these all. Students sometimes they do this. अच्छा मास्टर जी बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, ठहरिए हम आपका जरा क्लास लगवाते हैं. So this type of nuisance they are creating, but it is not good. After all, we will lose our time. Chalo, we were discussing. So that amount of energy which is produced because of the oxidation of one molecule of glucose in aerobic respiration is 2900 kilojoule. But in anaerobic respiration, and if it is occurring in the yeast, only 120 kilojoule will produce. And if the in only 82 kilojoule energy will produce, and in muscles it is only 120 kilojoule. That's why when we sprint, when we run, suppose I'm not doing any physical work और अचानक से कहीं जा रहे थे, कुत्ता दौड़ा दिया, तो I run very fast and next day the cramps will be in the leg. Why? Because of the anaerobic respiration and the toxic material generated, that is the lactic acid. The sufficient amount of energy was not produced that time.
So
So that
lactic
is-
acid is stored there.
Lactic acid is?
Sir, when cramps occur, then lactic acid like stores there in that part, in that particular part.
Yes. Okay, chaliye next. Now I'm asking the questions. Okay, Mehul, differentiate between plant and animal cell. Yes, yes, everywhere. Riyadh, everywhere this ATP is generated, whether it is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Only the thing will be what different? The thing will be different that we are the amount of energy might be less or more. Why less or more? Because of the aerobic or anaerobic situation. Otherwise, it will be every time okay. Same. It is that energy currency of cell means what? Whatever the living organisms are there, they have the cell, and inside the cell this respiration process will go on so that energy can be produced. So it will be common for everyone, whether it is bacteria, whether it is yeast, whether it is man, human being, cow, dog, animal, plant, whatever. No doubt.
Sir,
Parth is there, na? Okay. Yes.
hello, sir.
Medhans, you wanted to ask anything?
Sir, the unicellular organisms are only with the animal cell only, na?
Yes. Repeat it.
The unicellular organisms all are animal cell only, or they contain plant cell also.
Unicellular organism, animal cell have only that amoeba and paramecium and some more. They are eukaryotic in nature. They are unicellular because and they are eukaryotic because they contain nucleus, and they are resembling the animal cell because they do not contain cell wall, plastid and vacuole, big vacuole. Medhans, I think it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who will answer? Riyan will answer.
Okay.
Jagrit, you wanted to. Just wait,
Yes,
I'll come to you. I'll come to
Yes,
you.
sir.
Just wait. Let me ask to Riyan. Riyan,
Yes, sir.
what is the difference between what is the difference between plant and animal cell?
Sir, plant cells have chloroplast and animal cell doesn't have chloroplast.
Good. Other difference?
And plant cell have cell wall and animal cell doesn't have cell wall.
Okay. Yasita, what is the other difference? Cell wall and what you told Riyan? Cell wall and?
Plant cells have cell wall and animal cells doesn't have cell wall.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
Jagrit, without my permission, you will not switch on the mic. Otherwise, class will be so noisy. I know you all are knowing. Let me find, at least let me ask one question to everyone.
Sir,
Okay,
plant cell has plastid and animal cell does not have plastid.
Okay. Ankit.
Yes, sir.
Ankit, what is the function of vacuole?
So I can't recall. Sorry, sir.
Syantan, what is the function of vacuole? You should concentrate on the video which I shared, even the notes I have given already. Syantan, what is the function of vacuole? No, I'll find each and everyone and I'll ask alphabetically. Let me ask to everyone, at least one question from everyone. ये फिर से उल्टा पुल्टा आ रहा है, अल्फाबेटिकल क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Dhanishta asked Medhan start. Bhaswat, what is the function of vacuole?
So it is stored water.
It is stored water.
Waste.
Okay. What is Eric? What is the function of lysosome? Eric, what is the function of Eric? What is the function of lysosome? Eric, please answer. Aditya. Aditya, what is the function of lysosome?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Eric.
Sir, lysosome digest or damage their own cells.
Digest or damage the own cell. This is the why it is called as suicidal bag. But why the actual function? What is the actual function? सिपाही जी बंदूक लेकर के अपने आप को गोली मारने के लिए तो नहीं ना लेके चलते हैं.
So it breaks down waste materials and foreign materials.
It helps in intracellular digestion. Better to say it helps in intracellular digestion.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhayan, which
Yes, sir.
enzyme lysosome contain? Name the enzyme which is present in the inside the lysosome.
Sir, that one I forgot. Sir, but the process is called autolysis.
Aditya, if your mic is not working, you can write your answer in the chat box. Angista, what is the name of enzyme present in the lysosome?
So hydrolytic enzymes.
Correct. And Ankit, what is the meaning of hydrolytic? Why it is called as suicidal bag of the cell? It will burst, this hydrolytic enzyme will come inside the cytoplasm. Then what will happen? किससे पूछा था? अंकित से ना? हाँ, अंकित.
Sir, I don't know.
यार मुझे I don't know पे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. एंजाइम का काम क्या है बताओ? It is, I said, it is breaking in nature, digestive in nature. And hydrolytic, hydro means water and lytic means breakdown. And we know that 70%, more than 70% portion of the cytoplasm is made up of water, and water will be denatured. Then will the cell exist? बताइए, cell exist करेगा क्या? It will die. It will lose its identity. Anvesh, why mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell?
Mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell because it produces energy and releases it as glucose.
Releases? Utilizes glucose. Utilizes glucose. ऐसे कीजिएगा sir. It utilizes the glucose and convert it into the ATP, which is the energy which can be used in any part of the body. So mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell because it produces energy. Simple. Aswini, which is the energy currency of the cell? Aswini, which is the energy currency of the cell?
Sir, ATP.
ATP, correct. Binjom, why ATP is called as energy currency of the cell? Why ATP is called as energy currency of the cell? Binjom. Laksh, why ATP is called as energy currency of the cell? Laksh, please answer. I think class timing over, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next day be prepared. Again, I'll ask the questions to all of you. Next day, please be prepared. And next day, if you will say that I don't know, I will remove from the class.
Okay, sir.